MugJam is an application that allows you to create a 3D talking model or avatar from any photo. This interesting product was launched in November 2019 by Todd and Rohit Shah. You can use this to add yourself to your videos without having to be on camera. It is a video creator that uses artificial intelligence AI to create very realistic 3D models that look exactly like the photo. The AI learns the facial geometry and is then able to create realistic speaking 3D models of the person in the photograph. You get several hundred online templates for various niches. You select a template model and then put in your own unique content and edit it to your specific needs. You can also upload an existing video and then add an avatar on top of it. You can edit the size and position of the model. You can cast yourselves as the central character in these animations with a template, or you can use a green screen instead of with your talking model and import it into Camtasia or any other third-party video editing software. Or, as I mentioned, you can put your avatar on top of your existing videos. You can then export in 1080 pixels. With this software you can use your own voice or AI generated, have multiple languages, use a clothes cloner, natural head-turning motions, enhance text-to-speech, lifelike facial images, and auto lip-sync. The good and the not-so-good. The good, cloud-based application. 30-day money-back guarantee. Easy to use. Good customer support. Realistic images. The not-so-good, there is a learning curve. Need high internet connection speed. There are upgrades. It is still animation and not your actual presence in the video. Who is MugJam for? This product can be effectively used by internet marketers, product creators, affiliate marketers, bloggers, social media managers, and small local business owners. Tools and training. 3D MugJam Creator. It creates a real talking model of any person you desire to have in the video. Each created avatar has unique facial geometry. Template-based video creator, custom templates so that you can create videos using your MugJam models. Use your own videos, add your MugJams right on top of current existing videos. The models will automatically lip-sync to the video's audio. 10+ predefined MugJams. Professional models were used to create high-quality MugJam avatars. You get unlimited use license of these MugJams. 8 template categories. Categories range from local business, ads, quotes and a variety of others. 50+ predefined templates. These templates are custom-made by a group of animation experts. Auto lip-sync. All models lip-sync with any audio. Mouth movements are designed to be realistic. Natural eye plus teeth. Eyes and teeth for each model are realistic as the models even look around on a random basis. Natural head turns. The MugJam models look and turn around randomly so that they imitate the natural speaking movements of a professional spokesperson. Green screen videos. You can export your talking MugJams with the green screen background. This allows you to use them within any other application. Use your own voice. You are able to either record your own voice within the app or upload a ready-made voiceover to the app, and the MugJams will automatically lip-sync to it. Enhance text-to-speech. It is high quality and has a natural sound for text-to-speech. You are also able to control the voice pitch and speed as well. HD output. Every video created using this software is exported in 1080 pixels. Realistic clothes cloner. The software is able to create similar clothes for your MugJam model that was worn in the photo. Multiple languages. The templates, as well as text-to-speech, support a wide variety of languages. Final thoughts. This product can be used to increase brand recognition that can lead to greater conversions and sales. You can include yourself in a promotional video as a professional spokesperson without being on camera. This is a way to show up in your videos if you are a bit camera shy. Also, the software supports over 100+ languages. The front-end offer or premium version comes with a commercial license, so you can sell the videos you create. You can create template-based videos as well as adding an avatar to an existing video, which gives you quite a bit of flexibility. If you use video on your websites in your promotional work, the software creates 3D spokesperson videos from a photo that are very realistic based on facial geometry technology, producing natural facial features. The base product is a one-time fee, and it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If video is your thing, it may be worth checking out. All the best, Joseph.